Ansible Roles provides the framework for automatically loading certain tasks, files, vars, templates, and handlers from a known file structure into the playbook. The primary mechanism of role is to break a playbook into multiple pieces, files. This makes it easier for you to write complex playbooks and makes them easier to reuse. Also, it reduces the syntax error by breaking it into multiple files. Ansible Playbook is a set of roles, and each role essentially performs a specific function. The Ansible roles are reusable. You can import the roles into other playbooks as well, because the roles are independent of each other and do not depend on others while executing. Ansible offers a two-example directory structure that helps you organize your Ansible playbook content and its use. It is not limited to using the same data structure, and you can create your own directory structure based on your needs. Each directory is having a main.yml file, which contains the basic content. Ansible Galaxy. Ansible Galaxy refers to the Galaxy website, a free platform for finding, downloading, and sharing community-developed roles. The Galaxy website offers pre-packaged units such as roles and collections. Provisioning infrastructure, deploy applications, and you'll find plenty of roles for all the tasks that you do daily. Ansible will by default look for roles in the following directories.